I got a surprise package the other day, and it was a gift of Buddy's Detroit Pizza. Now, Detroit pizza is a little bit different. It's not Sicilian, it's not grandma. Let me have my friend Jeff Smokovich of Brown Dog Pizza in Colorado explain what makes Detroit pizza so special.
But caramelized crust is the key for Detroit style pizza, and that's what people keep coming back and back and back for. And more than taking it farther than caramelized crust is the corner pieces of Detroit style pizza. The corner piece is what people fight about in Detroit, because there's only 4 corners on the pizza, and usually there's a couple, if you get a large pizza from us, there's 4 pieces in the middle and then 4 corners.
Thanks a lot, Jeff. And here's what happened when I opened my Buddy's pizza box. Okay, I'm gonna do another unboxing. I just got a package. It was a gift, and enclosed in here are some pizzas from Buddy's in Detroit. I have to say I didn't pay for it. It was a gift, so this is kind of a review. Let's open it up and take a look and see how it came. Kind of looking forward to it. It's an awful big box, and there are 3 pizzas in here. Okay, so first things first, we got the pack and slip right here, and Albert Grande. We got 1 cheese pizza and 2 Detroit pepperoni pizzas. Okay, so it's all enclosed in styrofoam. And whoa, it looks like this is dry ice. So I certainly don't want to touch that, but that's kind of cool that they packed it in dry ice. This could be very dangerous, so I'm going to just put that over here. It does say dry ice, so you got to be careful with this stuff. Super duper cold. I don't want to touch it at all. Okay, so I open it up. And here they are. Let's see. Here's a half-baked Detroit style pepperoni from Buddy's. And another half bake, and I'll tell you, it's really cold. This is really frozen. And then here's the cheese. So the instructions say, and I'll tell you, this is really cold. Congratulations, you're the proud owner of a Buddy's original Detroit pizza. Follow the simple instructions. Thaw your pizza for 24 hours in the fridge, or 1.5 hours on the countertop. Preheat your oven to 425. Of course, remove all packaging and place your pizza directly on the oven rack to ensure Buddy's crispy crust you know and love. And it says, caution, the cheese goes from corner to corner, so you should place a pan underneath. You bake the pizza for 15 to 18 minutes until cheese is melted and bubbling. You did it. You have a fully baked Buddy's original Detroit style pizza made in the Motor City and finished in your home. Okay, so I can't wait. Here's my pizza. The cheese and 2 pepperonis. I don't know how I'm going to do this because although it's a gift, I have to give 2 of them away to 2 other friends, so I can't have all 3, but I'll try one of them. I'll let you know how it turns out. I will say I'm pretty impressed with the packing. Wow, dry ice. It could be very dangerous. Okay, I'll let you know. Because the pizza comes frozen solid, you have to defrost it. You can either do it for 24 hours in the fridge or 1.5 hours on the countertop, which I did. I defrosted it, I preheated the oven to 425, and I cooked it on a rack, and underneath I put a pan, just in case some of the cheese came out. And then I baked it. It says 15 to 18 minutes. I think I baked it for 17, 18 minutes, which was great.
And I was very impressed. I thought the pizza came out incredible. My buddy Espo gave me a review, and he said, tastes delicious, pepperoni spicy, tasty, double O quality, extraordinary crust. Hard to believe it's a mail-order frozen pie put together in Detroit and finished off in my Connecticut oven. Really exceptional pizza. And he said it reminded him of a grandma slice that he used to get from a little old lady in New York in Little Italy in Mulberry Street. Now, it's not grandma pizza, but it does have that kind of style to it. Here's what I thought.
Okay, as you can see, I already had a couple of slices of pizza. Baked it in the oven for about, 17 minutes or so at 425. And I have to say, I'm no expert about Detroit, but I know a bit about pizza. And this is good. Very, very good. I've made Detroit pizza before, and it came out okay. And this is certainly excellent. It's cheesy. Pepperoni's got a nice bite. The edges are really well cooked. Cheese melted in. Now, Detroit pizza may not be for everyone, but if you haven't tried it yet, I think you should give it a try. The price, I'm not sure, it was a gift. I'll try to include some information below this video. It was gifted to me, so I can't say I paid for it, but I have to say thank you. Thank you for the gift, and thanks for the pizza. Until next time, pizza on earth. Goodwill to all.